So we are going to Tibumana waterfall now. This is the holy water spring of the Temple and people from all over the world. Good morning guys to another day and another vlog of Bali. So we are going to waterfall today. It's early morning here and we are going to a waterfall, very beautiful waterfall, and the route to this waterfall is also very nice. जो रास्ता है वो बहुत ही सुंदर है, like एकदम से आप ऊपर जाते हो और एकदम से नीचे जाते हो. हम लोग 3 लोग थे तो हमने वैसे हम लोग 6 लोग वी हैव कम टुगेदर एज अ फैमिली, बट कुछ लोग सो रहे हैं तो हम तीनों ने हमने गाड़ी की हुई है रेंट पे, बिकॉज हमें अदरवाइज 2 कैब्स करनी पड़ती. सो वी हैव टेकन अ कार ऑन रेंट. ऐसे रूट से निकल रहे हैं दैट यू आर लाइक ऑस्ट्रक, वाओ हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इज दैट. एंड this is the waterfall which is in the secluded area and not much explored. So yes, we wanted to go to a place where बहुत ज़्यादा tourists, मतलब लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ना हो, and that was the motive कि हम लोग early morning निकले ताकि बहुत ज़्यादा रश ना मिले. and look at this view, पूरा रास्ता ऐसे नीचे जाते हुए and ऊपर जाते हुए, the whole route is like this with palm trees, coconut trees on the sides. और ये बड़ी बड़े जंगल्स के बीच में से हम निकल रहे हैं. We have arrived to Tibumana waterfall, which is one of the most beautiful hidden waterfalls in Bali. It is located in Mangli region of Bali. The entrance fee of Tibumana waterfall is 20,000 IDR. We are going to Tibumana waterfall now. And अभी क्योंकि हम सुबह आ गए हैं तो फिलहाल तो हमें बहुत कम टूरिस्ट दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर. So I guess early morning waterfall treks are the best to do. आप यहाँ कहीं भी आ जाओ, रास्ते इतने सुंदर हैं, बीच में सब farming, they have done the farming, the houses on the way were so nice. So that's how you need to go down for Tibumana waterfall. And it's a beautiful way to the waterfall. मम्मा यहाँ से केयरफुल, आगे रेलिंग नहीं है, थोड़ा आराम से. See how beautiful it is looking. So there is no wastage of water also, and it is looking like a fall. So water is coming from up, then coming down in this pipe, then further in that. And जब ये यहाँ पर ज़्यादा हो जाता है, so it taps, yes. And from here, then it goes down to here. How beautiful it is. So this is the small waterfall which is coming in the between. ये real वाला नहीं है. Just look at the way. And guys, we are here at the final point of Tibumana waterfall, and look at this surprise. Woo! There are also the illusions of faces on the rock. And also when the sunlight falls down on the fall, you kind of see various optical illusions which are amazing to watch. can I miss to meditate here? It was a nice experience. So एक वाटरफॉल से हमारा मन नहीं भरा तो हम चले गए दूसरी वाटरफॉल, कांटो लाम्पो वाटरफॉल. Okay guys, so we have come to another waterfall. Tibumani was very good, and now we have come to Kento Lampu waterfall, which is almost 15-20 minutes drive from Tipumana waterfall. And यहाँ की entrance fee है 25,000
There are stairs. The path is not like a dirt track, but if you have parents along with you, so it would be little difficult for them to climb so many stairs. So, but yes, it is not a dirt track where there would be जहाँ पर डर लगेगा कि आप फिसल ना जाओ. So सीढ़ियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. So अगर आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ आ रहे हैं तो अवॉइड ट्राई कि अगर वो लोग इतना स्टेयर्स चढ़ सकते हैं तभी आएँ, अदरवाइज ना आएँ. चलिए ऑन द वे. From here, oh my god, this is a beauty.
Kanto Lampu waterfall is located in Bali's rainforest. It has an iconic rock formation which gives the waterfall an impressive step-like appearance, popular with travelers and photographers. The pictures are amazing here, and also you can take a dip in surrounding pools. The waterfall has a short 5 minutes walk down from the stairs from the entrance. The best time again to visit waterfall is early morning so that you can have less crowd there and empty space to take the pictures. We had super fun here and had a great time in Kanto Lampu waterfall. It's a must visit waterfall whenever you go to Bali.
So we have taken the dip in this waterfall and it was amazing. So I didn't show you there much of it because I wanted to enjoy the fall, and it was so nice. I am telling you, I mean, being in the nature is just so pure. I am feeling so blessed. Look at this.
So guys, ये आ गए हैं अब हम तीर्थ एम्प्यूल टेम्पल में, and basically this has the holy spring also where you take a dip. So let's see, I'll show you what is there inside the temple. You have to buy the ticket. This is the holy water spring of Tirth Tempule Temple, and people from all over the world come to take the dip here and drink holy water. So this is from the inside of the temple. एंड यहाँ पर जितने भी ये कार्विंग्स हैं ये इतनी अमेजिंग है पूरे बाली में. लाइक इवन लोगों के नॉर्मल घरों में भी इतने सुंदर सुंदर ऐसे स्टैचूज रखे हैं दैट यू फॉल इन लव विद इट, लाइक यू गेट इन ऑ विद इट. सी हाउ दे हैव डन इट. So Tirth Tempule Temple is a very famous Hindu Balinese temple, which is very famous for its holy water spring especially, and people from all over the especially Balinese Hindus, they come here for ritual purification which is called as Melukat, and in fact people from all over the world come here to take the holy dip in the water, and there is a long story behind this holy water spring which I'll explain in the other video because it's a long story. So yeah, and it is also very famous among big diplomats and leaders of other countries, like Barack Obama with his whole family came here in 2017 and they had this temple in their top list. So yeah, it's very famous, and it has good vibes too. See, the water is coming out from itself. Something is happening there, if you can see it. So this is Ubud Palace, where currently the king is staying, and it is looking beautiful. मतलब यहाँ पे भी अभी currently जो अभी current king हैं वो यहाँ पर रहते हैं. And again all the buildings जितनी भी बाली में हैं, those have some another level of work and carvings in it. And even small houses and schools or temples all have these statues outside.